Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Trainstation 2 error code 7D3E4F82. The error reads, "Please restart the game." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes upon accessing the game and prevents users from getting in. According to our research, the error is likely caused by a temporary issue or a server-side problem. It may also appear if the game is not up to date. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to click on the Restart option when prompted. Sometimes this helps get past the error, so try this and see if this helps. If the error still comes, then close the game completely and restart it manually, and check for the error. If the error still continues, then check if your game is up to date. If there is any pending update, install it and see if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then the servers may be down, so it will be best to wait for some time and try again. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.